No. There's a hella Asians to the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. To the left. Asian people! Hey, dude, is that burger fucking, what is it called? No, stop! Dude, that's the fuck burger. No, seriously, dude, that's like a hella good burger place.
What?
Well, we just ate. Why do we need a burger?
It's hella famous, bro. It's the fucking truck, dude. I'm not fucking kidding, man.
I saw it.
Dude, that's a hella famous truck. They have hella good burgers there. Like #1 biggest burgers.
Oh, you gotta turn around.
Why?
I'm sorry, it's the other way.
Okay.
To that burger
The
joint.
navigation tricked me.
To the burger joint. Burger.
Was it on Food Network?
Huh?
Was it on the Food Network channel?
No, dude, everybody knows this place. It's called no, it's not Fuddruckers. It's like fuck burger. Like
Slider
it's a
truck.
bad word. What is it called? Dude, I'll find it right now. Fuck, man. You guys, I can't fucking believe you. It's on Yelp, dude.